VS Code versus JetBrains best AI code editor. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to compare and tell you about the pros and cons of VS Code and JetBrains. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, let's talk about VS Code. VS Code is a free open source editor from Microsoft known for its speed, flexibility, and a wide range of extensions. Pros of VS Code: lightweight and fast performance, extensive extension marketplace, strong support for GitHub Copilot and other AI tools, customizable interface and workflows, supports many languages with plugins. Cons of Vscode: requires extensions for advanced features, can become sluggish with too many plugins, not a full IDE out of the box. Now, let's talk about JetBrains IDEs. JetBrains offers a range of IDEs like IntelliJ IDEA, PyCharm, WebStorm, and more with built-in advanced features and AI assistant integration. Pros of JetBrains: full-featured IDEs with powerful tools. JetBrains AI assistant support, excellent for deep language support like Java, Python, etc. Smart code completion, refactoring, and debugging tools. Integrated tools for testing, version control, and databases. Cons of JetBrains: heavy on system resources, slower startup compared to VS Code. Most advanced features are only available in the paid versions. So that's basically the main differences are between VS Code and JetBrains, which will help you in choosing the right one for you. So that's all for this video.